Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Rachel and I have been doing Stitch Fix unboxings. A lot of people are loving the Stitch Fix, getting things picked out for them, so I like to watch these videos, so I decided to make them too. And today we have a beautiful Stitch Fix. Look at those pretty colors. Aren't they beautiful? So today I asked for this fix ones that have like different necklines, like tops or dresses, because I finally found a strapless bra that I like from Amazon. Maybe if I remember, I'll try to link it below, but it's been working pretty well, so that's cool. So Stitch Fix subscription styling service, I'll put a description below about that as well. Most people know what it is. They send you the box, you get the prepaid mailer to send things back, they give you the price sheet, which no one likes to look at, and yeah, no one likes to look at that, and they give you the style note that says, oh, hello. So we'll read that first, then we'll get into the bundle. Happy Fix Day, Rachel. I'm so excited you found a strapless bra that worked. I told Allie, my stylist, that I did find one because I had a ton of fun choosing items that will look so cute on you. Let's dive in. I started you off with the cold shoulder blouse by CRESCENT. I know this is long sleeve, but this always flies off the shelves. It might be a bit tight in the bust since it is made with polyester. How does this fit? So if it's tight, maybe I can just like size up if I like it. I also included the knit off the shoulder top by LOVEAPELLA. That should definitely fit like a dream. Pair with those denim shorts you tried on in your video. Give the front tuck a try too to give yourself shape. All the pieces will be cute for where I went last weekend because I was supposed to get this Friday. But we had some mailing issues and weather issues and things, so that's okay because I can still wear these other times. XO, Allie. Thank you, Allie. So we will get into the bundle. Again, pretty colors. Let's see. So I did peek because, you know, that's what I do. I peeked at what they were sending me. So I really hope this top works because it is so pretty. Look at that. Look at those cute flowers on there. I love yellow. I am so excited. I hope this works. So this is by LOVEAPELLA. Let me find the right tag. LOVEAPELLA Castania off the shoulder knit top in mustard. So that's really pretty. It's got the stretchy top there. It also has kind of like that elastic in the sleeves. So hopefully this works. I've never really worn an off the shoulder before because I just feel like they just creep up, so we'll see. This next one, oh, that's pretty. It's black. It is the Market & Spruce Melonna bar back Surplice knit top in black. So this one, find the front. It's kind of like a V-neck there, and then the back kind of dips down. It's got that bar across the back. And it's like 3/4 sleeve, I think. Oh, okay, I see. So the back, I don't know if you can tell, it crisscrosses in the back. You'll have to just see in the video. In the try-on. But it was really soft. This one is the CRESCENT Bariel cold shoulder blouse. Whew, and it is strappy, that's for sure. I'm trying to get it. It is like a navy blue with like white, almost like sprinkles kind of thing. And it's the cold shoulder. This would be on the shoulder part. And it goes down, and it has the elastic on the sleeves too. So this is that one she said flies off the shelves. It's really pretty. It's got a little stretch to it, so we'll see. This one I'm wearing today is also Stitch Fix, so maybe I will show you in before I try everything else on. Here's another black top. I've tried this one before. Okay, so this is the Jonesman one shoulder knit top in black. I got this in a yellow and I didn't really like it. I don't know if it was like the material, it was kind of ribbed before, but this is it in the black. It's got that kind of strappy one off the shoulder kind of thing. Try to get the black there. It always shows up weird. So we'll see with that one. We'll see if I like it better in the black. And then this last one, so I peeked, so I knew I was getting it. I love this dress. It is a maxi dress, but I know I love it because I bought it off Poshmark already. So that's a good thing though, because Allie knows my style. She knows I would have liked this, and I do because I already own it. But it's got the navy top, super pretty. Look at those pretty colors on the bottom. It is beautiful. It is lined. The liner's actually poking out there. So the cool thing with this one is it crisscrosses in the back, and then this part of the small of your back is open. So it's like really just like a hint of something right there, you know? So this is beautiful. I'll try it on for you so you can see. I love this dress. Let me find the tag. It's the Lee Juri 2 Fur maxi dress. So I did already get this on Poshmark, but it's so pretty. Look at those pretty colors. It's beautiful. So, all right, we will get to the try on. All right, so this is one of my tops. I originally got this one in pink from Stitch Fix, and they now let you buy them in different colors of things you've already purchased from them. So I got it in the white. It ties in the front there. Can't remember who makes this. I want to say Luck, L-U-Q, but I can't remember. But I love this top. It's so like, even though it's the longer sleeve, it's really light for summer. Love the little tie there, super cute. And now let's get on to the things I got in this box. All right, so this is the one with the crisscross shoulder there. Oh, crisscross shoulder. In the black. It's a little see-through. I don't know if you can tell, but wearing a beige bra underneath. And it's kind of see-through. I tucked it in the front because otherwise it's just kind of blah. Unfortunately, this is one I said I got in a yellow before. I still don't like this. I don't like just the one off the shoulder sleeve there. I don't know. You tell me. You know, I don't think I could wear it to work. It's just kind of schlumpy. I don't know. Well, I do know I don't like it. Sorry, Allie, I don't like this one. But it's soft. If anyone wants to request it, it is really soft. It's comfortable. It's just not doing anything for me. Okay, I can see why this one flies off the shelf. It's got the strappy shoulders there, so you would need a strapless bra. And then in the back, if I can turn it off, it dips down and also has that strap going across your back. This is really cute. It's got the pretty V-neck in the front as well. Shows off your tan if you have one. Oh, I can see how it does ride up a little bit, so if I did really like this one, I would size up. Just because it doesn't stretch much in the bust, and you know, I got a bust. The sleeves are really cute. It's a really lightweight material, so I think like late summer you could still wear it, but it wouldn't be like cold for the fall either. This is really cute. Good for date night, I think. It's got that pretty navy with like the white, like I said, kind of like a sprinkle kind of pattern. But yeah, this one I might like if I size up. We shall see. I really want to love this top. I love this pattern. I love the yellow. But as soon as I go to move at all, it just wants to creep up. And I don't know if that's just because of my bust or what, but I really wanted to like it and love it. I love this pattern and color so much. Sorry for the shaky camera, but that's me trying to keep this on my shoulders. Oh, you guys, I'm so sad. Oh, I want to love it. I don't know, maybe I need to like try just wearing it around the house for an hour and see how much it drives me crazy. I mean, if I don't know. I think if it was just like that, that's okay, right? It doesn't have to be pulled all the way down. you guys. You tell me. Oh, I love this color so much. I love it. But I don't love the way it's riding up on my shoulders. We'll see. Okay, so this one looks a little, you know, plain Jane from the front. It's got the 3/4 length sleeve. It's kind of longer. I tucked it into the shorts there. But the back, we'll see if we can, the back crisscrosses like that. So that's pretty cute. I kind of really like that. And I think I could just wear a regular bra with this one too. So that's kind of cute. What do you guys think? Crisscrosses. You can see my bed. I only wish it was like in a different color and not just black. But then you could accessorize with different things, I guess. Highlighting. There we go. But this one's super, super, super soft. And here it is out. It's just kind of long. Long in the front there. But that back is like really cute. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know. And here we have the dress, which I love, which we already know because I already have this dress, which, you know, Allie would have no way of knowing what I buy on Poshmark. But like I said, it's got the cute back. See if we can get it where it opens in the back there. So it just kind of shows like the small of your back, which is really cute. Has the beautiful colors. Beautiful. Which these colors remind me of the romper that I wasn't sure on my last fix video if you watched it. I did end up keeping it. And I wore it over the weekend. It was really cute. Oh, my bra is peeking out a little bit there. This isn't an extra large, and the one I bought on Poshmark is a large, and it doesn't show my bra. Oop, doesn't show my bra at all. So I think this one just might have a bigger opening in the back. But this dress is beautiful. I highly recommend it. I love it. All right, let's go over prices. All right, friends, so that was a try-on. Not in love with anything in particular. I love the yellow shirt, but that's gonna drive me nuts. I wore it a little bit more after I tried it on, and the sleeves riding up is just gonna drive me nuts, unfortunately. But let's go over prices. So the Lely Juri 2 for Maxi dress in navy was $74. That is a beautiful dress. I love it. I got it from Poshmark, like I said. I love it. It's so comfortable. It's beautiful. Wear it to a wedding, whatever. $74. The LOVEAPELLA Castania off-the-shoulder knit top in mustard is $48, which if I loved it, I would totally do that. CRESCENT Bariel cold shoulder blouse in blue was $48. Also pretty reasonable. I don't think I loved that either though. So I don't know. I would definitely size up in that one because it didn't stretch like she said, but the Market and Spruce Melonna bar back Surplice knit top in black was $58. That was the one with kind of like the crisscross in the back and the 3/4 sleeve. $58, you know, that's almost $60 worth of tax for a shirt, so I don't think I'll be getting that. And then last but not least, the Kaylee, well, it is the least actually. The Kaylee Jonesman one shoulder knit top in black was $34. So $262 was the retail. If I got everything, it'd be $65.50 off of that. So $196.50 for the whole box, which you know I am not keeping. I don't think I'm keeping anything this time. I'm kind of disappointed. I know she was just going off like trying to get different necklines and things for me to try, which I'm glad I tried them. I just know now that they drive me nuts, the off the shoulder. So I don't think I'll be asking for those anymore. Sorry, Allie. Sad. Well, I'm gonna schedule my next one super quickly since I'm not keeping anything this time. I wasn't in love with anything. But sad. Oh well, what can you do? I hope you guys are enjoying your summer. I've been enjoying making these videos. If you liked them, please like and subscribe. and watch my previous ones. I have a lot of fun doing it. It's fun to just kind of show you guys what I've been getting, and I like to see what other people get too. So I hope you do. Yeah, is there anything you guys want me to request or anything you can suggest that I might like from your boxes? Leave a comment down below. The heat kind of broke from last time when I did my video. I had my air unit running the whole time, so I didn't turn that on this time, so it's a little hot up here, but not too bad. It poured today, if anyone cares. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Like I said, like and subscribe if you could, if you feel like it. I'm going to leave my referral code. I almost just choked. My referral code down below as well. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, it's $25 credit that you can use, and I would get $25, dollars too, which doesn't hurt. But yeah, you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.